What is a heart murmur? Many children are referred for investigations due to a heart murmur. A murmur is a noise that can be heard with a stethoscope and represents turbulent flow inside the heart. Most of the time, this is not representing a problem of the heart, but in some cases it can be a sign of a narrowing of one of the blood flow pathways or a hole between the chambers of the heart. The sound that can be heard is a bit similar to a narrowing of a river, where you can see the turbulent white water and hear more noise.